To connect your Honor 600 Pro with a car, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to navigate to more connections right here, and then you can click on Android Auto. It will transfer you to Google Play Store for the first time, and here you will need to update Android Auto app. Click on update, make sure that you have your account and internet connection, and after a couple of seconds when the app is updated, we'll be able to go back to the same settings and click on Android Auto again. Now it should launch like this, and then there's the option to connect your vehicle, and there's two options for it. First option is through the cable. If you have a cable that allows you to connect both your phone and your car, you can attempt and connect them both. If it works, then you will see a prompt that allows you to continue through the setup. If you don't have the cable, you can connect it using the wireless Android Auto, that means Bluetooth settings. Enter pairing mode on your car. Just look for your car model on Google and then type in how to enter pairing mode. And when you're in pairing mode, select connect using Bluetooth per vehicle, and then in available devices, select your car to connect it with your phone. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.